For this problem, they want you to determine A, what the function's domain is. So here's how you find domain. I call it the vertical line scan. Starting at negative infinity, scan and tell me when you start hitting the graph. Boom, right there. And then you keep hitting it forever to the right. So what's the domain? It's at 0, I hit it, and then all the way to the right, I hit it. So the domain is from 0, including 0. So I put a bracket, comma infinity. That's the domain. Let me undo all those scan marks there. So that's how I do the domain. The domain is from 0 to infinity. The range, the next question is going to be the range, and the range is similar. To find the range, instead of starting at doing vertical lines, I do horizontal lines starting at negative infinity. No, 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 yes, 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 forever. So at what point did I start hitting the graph? At 2. So from 2, including 2, all the way to infinity was my range. Again, let me undo those marks. Okay, so that's the range. It's from 2 to positive infinity. Notice I put an open bracket or an open parentheses next to infinity because that's not an actual number. The closed bracket means that it includes 2. The open bracket means it doesn't include infinity. So if this had been an open circle, this would be an open bracket at 2 to infinity. But it's not. All right. The next question is, what are the x-intercepts? And what are x-intercepts? Are places where it touches the x-axis.
But there are none.
There are no x-intercepts. So no x-intercepts. How about y-intercepts?
3.
The y-intercept would be this point right here.
0.
Not 3, it's actually 2.
2, 0.
And it's not 2, 0, it's 0, 2. And be very careful about that, because that's what people make mistakes. They forget this is x and that's y. Also notice that this looks kind of like this, but it's totally different. This up here is interval notation. This down here is a point. It's the point, 0, 2. Part E of this question says, what's the function value? What's f of 1? So f of 1, you go to 1, that stands for x. X equals 1. So when x equals 1, now let's go up straight up to the graph and tell me what y equals. Just go straight over now.
3.
It equals 3. So f of 1 equals 3. And that's how you read a graph. Khan Academy has some great activities to do. I'd suggest you check that out too.